In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open movie files in Android. If you've ever tried to play a movie video on your phone and it just wouldn't open, or only the audio played, this guide is for you. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get those files working smoothly on almost any Android device. First, let's quickly cover what a MOV file is. MOV is a video format commonly used by Apple devices, like iPhones and Mac computers. While some Android phones can open movie files natively, many cannot. Or they struggle with certain versions of the format. That's why you might see errors, black screens, or choppy playback when you try to open them. To solve this, we're going to use a dedicated video player app that supports MOV files. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type something like MOV Video Player or Video Player for all formats. You'll see several options appear. Look for a well-known app with a high rating and lots of downloads. These players usually support a wide range of file types, including MOV, and they're designed for smoother playback. Tap on the app you want to use, then tap Install. Wait for the download and installation to complete. This may take a minute depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap Open to launch the app for the first time. Most video player apps will ask for permission to access your photos and media. This is necessary so the app can find and play your MOV files. When prompted, tap Allow. If you're concerned about privacy, you can always review the app's permissions later in your device settings. Now, inside the player app, you'll usually see a list of folders or a library view. Navigate to the folder where your MOV file is stored. This might be in your Downloads folder, your Camera folder, or a specific messaging or file manager folder if you receive the video from someone else. Once you find the MOV file, tap on it. The video should start playing right away within the app. If the video still doesn't play smoothly, make sure your app is up to date and try closing other apps to free up memory. In some cases, converting the MOV file to a more Android-friendly format like MP4 using an online converter can help. But often, the right player app is all you need. And that's it. By installing a capable video player and giving it access to your media, you can open and watch MOV files on your Android device without any hassle.